Are you preparing for Praxis ParaPathways 5757, Mathematics 5759, Geometry, Measurement, and Data Analysis? If so, this video is perfect for you. My name is Tom, and I'm a test prep expert here at Study.com and a certified teacher. I will walk you through some of the types of problems you'll see on this test. The ParaPathways Mathematics 5759 subtest, part of the broader ParaPathways 5757 assessment, covers fundamental mathematical skills relevant to assisting in a classroom. This subtest measures your knowledge of basic concepts in three main areas: number sense and basic algebra, geometry and measurement, and data analysis. Approximately 1/3 of the questions will focus on applying these basic skills in classroom scenarios. Okay, are you ready? Let's check out some questions. A rectangular garden has a length of 12 feet and a width of 5 feet. What is the area of the garden? Is it A, 17 square feet, B, 30 square feet, C, 60 square feet, or D, 24 square feet? All right, so we want area, and we want to know what shape we're dealing with. So we're dealing with a rectangle. So the area formula for a rectangle is length times width. So we're going to take our length of 12, and we're going to multiply by our width of 5, and 12 times 5 is 60. So our correct answer here with the correct units of measure would be C, 60 square feet. How many inches are in 3.5 feet? Is it A, 32 inches, B, 40 inches, C, 42 inches, or D, 48 inches? All right, so the conversion factor is 1 foot is equal to 12 inches. So that means we're going to take 3.5 and we're going to multiply that by 12. And we have our on-screen calculator we can use, and we should get the answer of 42 inches. So the correct answer is C. A student identifies a shape with 4 equal sides and 4 right angles. Which of the following shapes is the student describing? Is it A, a rhombus, B, a square, C, a rectangle, or D, a trapezoid? All right, so let's eliminate some possibilities here. Since it says the shape has 4 equal sides and 4 right angles, that means opposite sides and opposite angles have to be the same, which means it's a type of parallelogram, which means we can eliminate choice D, trapezoid. Now, let's eliminate some other choices here. Well, a rhombus has 4 equal sides, but doesn't necessarily have 4 right angles, so I'm going to eliminate choice A. Choice C, rectangle. A rectangle has 4 right angles, but it doesn't necessarily have 4 equal sides. The sides do not have to be equal. So I can eliminate choice C. So the correct answer here is the shape with 4 equal sides and 4 right angles has to be a square, choice B. The math scores of 5 students are 78, 85, 85, 90, and 92. What is the mode of these scores? Is it A, 85, B, 86, C, 90, or D, 85 and 90? All right, so when we talk about the mode in statistics, so the mode is what appears most. So one clue is looking at MO for most and mode as a tip for teaching the students. Well, when we look at our list here, all the scores appear one time on the list except 85. It appears twice, so the correct answer here is A, 85. There you go. Those are some of the types of questions you will see on the ParaPathways Mathematics 5759 Geometry, Measurement, and Data Analysis subtest. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see more questions on this topic. For more practice, check out our Praxis ParaPathways playlist, and for even more detailed practice, strategies, and customizable study materials, head over to Study.com and check out our Praxis ParaPathways test prep course. Those who use Study.com boast a 92% pass rate. Our courses include full-length exams, hundreds of authentic practice questions, and short, targeted video lessons specifically developed based on the latest test updates. With our resources, you'll know exactly what to expect on test day. Like this video and subscribe to this channel to get all the latest Praxis test updates. And please leave your questions and success stories in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. Happy studying.